Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to activate hand warmers. Firstly, remove the hand warmer from its packaging and shake it for a few seconds to mix the ingredients inside. Expose it to air and it will start heating up within a few minutes. Place it in your gloves or pockets for warmth. These contain a metal disc and a liquid solution. Find the metal disc inside the warmer, snap or click the metal disc back and forth until the liquid starts crystallizing. The hand warmer will heat up instantly and lasts about 30 to 60 minutes. Place the solidified warmer in the boiling water about 5 to 10 minutes until the crystals dissolve. Let it cool down and it's ready for the next use. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.